Functional medicine practitioners nationwide are increasingly prioritizing sustainable solutions for addressing mold-related health concerns and indoor air quality issues in their patients' residences. In response to this demand, Green Home Solutions has emerged as the premier choice for mold remediation and indoor air quality enhancement among functional medicine experts. With a focus on eco-friendliness, doctors are turning to Green Home Solutions thanks to our exclusive EPA-registered products derived from plants and backed by a history of proven efficacy. In fact, we offer the only catalytic enzyme with an efficacy of 99.9999%, which not only breaks down and eliminates mold spores, but also kills many other pathogens in under 10 minutes. We also utilize industry-leading probiotics that keep on working much longer to combat many other allergens and mold for up to 90 days. Physicians confidently rely on Green Home Solutions, knowing they have the flexibility to request any test they consider essential for their patients. Our team of experts excels in conducting an extensive array of mold and indoor air quality assessments spanning ERMI, VOCs, airborne mycotoxins, radon, formaldehyde, bacteria, and beyond. From the initial phone consultation to our ongoing recommendations for maintaining your newly improved indoor air quality, we stand by our customers and their caregivers at every stage of the process. Be confident calling our team. We're committed to excellence. Green Home Solutions adheres strictly to ANSI and IICRC remediation standards, ensuring thorough and effective treatment protocols. Green Home Solutions. We make air better.